Hey guys, it's Candy and I'm here with a quick share. This year, one of my goals is to finish some of the projects that I've had sitting for a long time. You know, I pick up at yard sales or pick up cheap, and they've sat and sat and sat. So one of the things I had picked up was it was a Shrinky Dink plastic set, and it had all different kinds of Shrinky Dinks, and it came with this little catalog guide to how to kind of thing. And so I have had it for a long time. So this is the size that the Shrinky Dink paper was, and then when you heat it up, it shrinks down to this size. So I colored up, there was like one sheet of them, so I colored up some of the images and shrank them, and just wanted to share that. I hadn't played with Shrinky Dinks in a really long time, so it was kind of fun to do. I just used my heat gun to shrink them, and like I say, they were probably about 4 times as big as what they are now. So I got some charms. These were little buttons. Hopefully you can see that. But I forgot how fun it was watching them shrink down and roll up. And this one. So I still got 3 that I haven't shrunk yet. The birds and this tag, but I wanted to show you how big they were ahead of time. So maybe it shrinks about half. A bird cage. I thought this would be cute to add to my little ephemera box of stuff to use. So anyway, I thought that was a good quarter spent at a yard sale. So anyway, if you guys have some shrink wrap or Shrinky Dink papers at home, I suggest digging them out and having some fun with them. There's so many things you can do with them. I've seen where they've made earrings and jewelry out of them, fun little keychains. But anyway, hope you guys are all having a great day, and one thing off my list of things to get done. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.